guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And my name is Adele Tamer. If you are new here, subscribe, hit a like, and
perfect.
Hi everyone, welcome to Hinge Cut Mineral Step in Mississippi State University.
Yeah, we should just do like The Office as the intro.
Y'all can hear us right now.
Who are we and what are we doing?
My name is Adele Tabor and I approve
What's your
this
name?
message.
Ray Edward Tanner III.
We are standing here on the side of the highway. My mom, if you're watching this, we are not parked on the side of the highway. So folks, what we have here is representation of the undergraduate research project here at Mississippi State University. I don't actually have a country accent. I do now though, so. We picked a good day to start filming. Whose idea was this anyways?
I think this was definitely a good idea.
I don't know how we started talking about it.
Oh no, spearheaded by cut that one tree and it just like flopped like flat.
Oh, we started, yeah, it went with the, yeah, and we should have filmed that one, but we had the idea of filming all of them cutting down and then making what is it called? Well, we started coming up with the idea of making a, what's it called? Correlation? There we go. Is that
Compilation.
Compilation. Well, we started saying that we needed to make a compilation of all the trees that we've cut down.
Which way y'all want to go? I say we go this way.
I say we go that way because I want to go home. And the truck is that way. Okay. We have to cut down 120 trees and fence half of them. So here's the documentary beginning part. Our story begins with a long, long, treacherous walk in search of the one and only winged elm. This is my friends. This is my friends. This right here. Is this my phone? This is a winged elm.
All right, take two.
So this is a winged elm. And I am 100% positive.
Shit.
It's not great. It's like literally 90% of the bowl.
What we have right here is your
first step into stumping a winged elm or any tree of your choice.
So step 2 is simply remove the bowl from our cut portion right here.
So I'm gonna step back. I'm take a step back.
I want to see the instructions.
Whoa, that was cool.
Cut.
Was that satisfying?
That was good.
So what we do is we tag them at the end of everything, so we have obviously identification. This one's a winged elm mineral stump, so it'll sprout. Great for deer management, which is what we do with deer dudes. Hashtag deer are cool. I don't know. I think this might be American elm, but we can cut it down. So, in order to check and make sure that this is a winged elm, this is my strategy. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a knife. You can use anything. This is a really not good knife. All I'm doing is I'm scraping off the bark. And then you look at the inside of the bark. If you're not sure if it is or if it isn't, you look at the inside of the bark. Couldn't tell you why, but winged elm looks like camo.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
No, I think I got it. I don't know.
Oh my god. I just.
You good?
Fantastic. Are you okay? Fantastic. Looks like all you got. Yeah, just in my boot. Chill.
Whoa!
So we've got Reptile here because he identifies all the reptiles, and we've got, what's your name?
A dendro.
You can't laugh when you say it. You got to be.
A dendro.
Why was that confrontational? Maybe we should just do footage of Adele walking.
I'm wearing Mossy Oak pants.
Okay.
Sponsor me, Mossy Oak, please.
Yeah.
We love you.
We love
Your
you.
lab loves you. And then I'm wearing lacrosse muck boots. They're not great. They're not terrible.
Hey, you want to tilt the bill of your head up so I can see you better?
Would not recommend necessarily
Okay.
to buy these ones because I've had them for less than a year. There's a hole in them.
Okay.
Which if you haven't heard me complain about it yet, you're about to hear me complain about it a lot. So, and I'm wearing a Lululemon top.
Nice.
To wear it all the time. It's great.
Yeah.
Carhartt hat. Carhartt also sponsor us. The Dear Lab also loves you.
Exactly.
What's your nickname?
Apparently, let me get the hat brim up so you can see my face. One sec. The name's TT.
Paris, the tree terminator.
TT
Groberg.
for short.
Paris, the safety coordinator. Groberg.
I'll start coming out here with the safety vest and like an orange hard hat.
Give people like safety tips.
Yeah. I'll be safety guy.
There is a hole in my muck boot and it's just cut me off again. It always does that. It always cuts me off. It's okay. It's okay.
I'll show him the pro tip. All right, what was this? H 1026. 1026. T dash P3 11.
Yeah, 11.
Green.
Why do you make it green?
Green signifies a wing dome on the map. Okay, so a quick tip. We're supposed to be in stand 30. And this tree is technically not in stand 30. Oops, sorry. It's in stand 110. So what we're going to do, real quick, hold this. You got to select the point.
Let me do it.
And move
There
it.
you go.
And move it. Now we're in stand 30. All good.
Don't actually do that. Don't actually do that unless you have permission. Thank you. This is a little bug. It's a little red. Look at how tiny it is. Yeah, what do you got there? And this, ladies and gentlemen,
Right?
this is why we call him Reptile. Rhett, can you tell me a little bit about this creature?
So a marble salamander,
Alright.
chubby, extremely chubby. They have like those stripes along, like super gray, white looking stripes. I don't know, it's pretty distinguishable.
Crikey! It's over here through these trees. It's a wild crocodile.
Where?
This.
Oh.
It's not actually.
Oh, okay. All right.
I'm gonna sneak up. I'm gonna sneak up on the crocodile
Okay.
like Steve Irwin. I was kidding. There's no crocodile.
Ah, damn it!
I misidentified that log right there.
Oh, that does look very crocodilian.
This, mates. This is what I like to call a wood block. Cue the compilation. Yeah, it's good.
That might be one of those.
Let's do this one. Bridge Ison's my forward. I have my Starbursts. I am ready to go to bed.
Oh, I think this is sundown weather.
No.
Sundown?
Not on the interstate. Thank you guys for watching. How many trees?
How
did
many
you plant?
outros have you done today?
This is the for real one.
No, but that's every time we see Adele, it's thank you for watching. Adele, this is the intro.
Well, how many trees did we cut though?
There.
Data guy.
14 trees.
14 trees cut. Give us a species distribution, Rep.
We did 12. No. We did 4 red maples
4 red maples.
and 10 winged elms.
There you go. Identified 2 more winged elms.
Cut. Done. Cut. Just like that.
Can you do the cut thing again? I didn't get that.
Cut.
Cut!
Okay, thanks for watching. It's 4:30. We're gonna go do homework. It's Sunday. That didn't make any sense.
Is this gonna turn into a vlog for you?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm gonna go home and just continue building my day.
Hey guys!
Hey guys, so we just got back from tree cutting.
It's Adele. I just got back from tree cutting. I'm super exhausted, but I have to stay at this dendro, so trees for life.
Eat the
Rep,
trees.
do the cut. Trees. Cut.
Okay, thanks for watching. This is actually gonna be the last one. Thanks for watching.
Outro number 5.
From the Mississippi State Extension Service vehicle named the Stud. Bye.
Down with a. Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm always right, so my muck boots have a hole in them, so.
Cut.